Good morning, students. Today we will study exercise question from exercise 3.5. Okay, so I am directly coming to exercise 3.5, question number 5th part. Question number 10, 5th part, and it is here e tan pi by 12, tan pi by 16, tan pi by 12, tan 7 pi by 12. This is the question, and we have to evaluate tan pi by 12, tan pi by 16, tan 5 pi by 12, and tan 7 pi by 16. Okay, you see here, this is tan pi by 12, tan pi by 12, and this is tan pi by 16. Now 5 pi by 12, 5 pi by 12 can be written as tan pi by 2 minus pi by 12. Okay? Because if you subtract pi by 12 from pi by 2, then you will get here 5 pi by 12, because you can see here 12 pi minus 2 pi, 10 pi divided by 12 into 2, 24, and if you will subtract by 2, then 2 5 are 10, 2 12 are 24. Similarly, tan 7 pi by 12 may be written as tan pi by 2 minus pi by 7 pi by 2 minus pi by pi by, this is 7 pi, 7 pi by 16, so this is pi by 16. This is 7 pi by 16 in the question, 7 pi by 16. Okay, pi by 16 may be written as pi by 2 minus pi by 16, because you can see here 16 pi minus 2 pi equal 14 pi divided by 16 to the 32, and if you will divide by 2, then 2 7 ja 14 and 2 16 ja 32, so you will get 7 pi by 16. Now you know कि tan 90 minus theta equal cot theta, so this will become tan pi by 12 tan pi by 16 into cot pi by 12 cot pi by 16. Tan 90 minus theta equal cot theta, so this is tan pi by 12 tan pi by 16 cot pi by 12 cot pi by 16. Now you know that tan theta is just reverse of cot theta, so tan pi by 12 cot pi by 12 and tan pi by 16 cot by 16 is cancelled out, so the answer is 1. So if the final it is evaluated as a 1. Okay, have a look and make a note. Now come to question number 17. Okay, what is question number 17? So see the question number 17. Can I if A, B, C are the right angles of a triangle, prove that sin A plus B equal sin C. देखो इसमें क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि A B C are angles of a triangle. You know, if this is a triangle A, B and C. You know कि sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So A plus B plus C equal 180 degree. Everyone know A plus B plus C equal 180 degree. Now the question is, first part की prove that कि sin A plus B equal sin C. This is to be proved. Now you know here A plus B equal 180 minus C. From this relation you can find. So if you are taking LHS here, LHS, then sin A plus B, and A plus B may be written as 180 minus C. Okay, so this is sin 180 minus C, because if you will use this relation, then from this relation A plus B equal 180 minus C, and you know sin 180 minus theta equal sin theta, so this is equal to what? Sin C. So this is the RHS. This is proof of the first part. Now come to the second part. देखो सेकेंड पार्ट में आपसे बोल रहा है कि सेकेंड पार्ट cos A plus B divided by 2 equal sin C by 2. A plus B by 2 equal sin C by 2. You know, since here this is A plus B plus C equal 180 degree. Everyone know A plus B plus C equal 180 degree. Then A plus B equal 180 minus C. Here again, since we are it is required A plus B by 2, then just divide by 2. So A plus B total divided by 2 equal, if you will divide by 2 here, then 180 divided by 2, 90 minus C by 2. You will get here. So just in LHS put A plus B by 2 equal 90 minus C by 2. So here is LHS. Cos A plus B by 2 can be written as cos 90 minus C by 2. You know, cos 90 minus theta equals sin theta. So this is sin C by 2 and this is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay students, have a look and make a note. In this question, the third part is very important question. So see the third part. See third part. Third part is tan B plus C, tan C plus A, tan B plus C plus tan C plus A plus tan A plus B divided by tan pi minus A plus tan 2 pi minus B plus tan 3 pi minus C equal 1. This is to be proved here कि आपको प्रूव करना है कि this is equal to 1. You know, but it is given here what कि A plus B plus C equal pi 180. Since A plus B plus C equal pi or 180 it is given here. So if you are going to find b plus c, then b plus c equal pi minus a. Similarly c plus a, pi minus b, a plus b, pi minus c, from this relation. So just come to write these things. 10 pi minus a plus 10 pi minus b plus 10 pi minus c. This is LHS right hand side numerator, and you know 10 pi minus theta, मतलब 10 180 minus theta. This will lie in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant 10 is negative, so this one will become minus 10a. Okay, plus 2 pi minus b. 2 pi minus b means this will lie in fourth quadrant, and fourth quadrant 10 is negative, so this is what, minus 10b, and this one 10 3 pi minus c. ठीक है, तो 2 pi 3 pi, 3 pi minus c, again this will lie in second quadrant, and in second quadrant 10 is again negative, so this is minus 10 c. Clear? Now say 10 pi minus a minus 10a, so you will write here minus 10a pi minus b minus 10b pi minus c minus 10c divided by minus 10a minus 10b minus 10c. Now you can see if numerator and denominator are equal, so just they will cancel out, and the result is 1, and this is your RHS. Clear? So this is the RHS. Hence this value of this one is 1. Okay students, one question more. See the question. See question number 35. कह रहा है कि 5 sin x, 5 sin x minus 12 cos x plus 7. This is the question. Can find the range of the function 5 sin x minus 12 cos x plus 7, and this is very easy because it has already given कि put 5 equal r cos alpha and 12 equal r sin alpha. So just you will take the help. You will take help r cos 5 equal r cos alpha and 12 equal r sin alpha. ठीक है, 12 equal r sin alpha. So just see here what I am going to do here. First of all, do the square and sum these two terms. So if you will square, then we'll get here कि r square cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal 5 square plus 12 square है. ठीक है, 5 square plus 12 square. Now you know cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal 1. So this is equal to r square 25 plus 144. This is 169 r square. Then what is here? R equal 13. This is the r. R is here 13. So let us see what I am going to do then next step. ठीक है, in this equation we will put r cos alpha and r sin alpha in place of 5 and 12. So let us see here, and you have seen here कि r equal 13 we have find here. ठीक है, so come to see. If you will put here r, so this 5 sin x minus 12 cos x plus 7 will become r cos alpha sin x plus minus r sin alpha cos x plus 7. If you are putting the 5 and 12 in case of r. Okay. Now see. Now put the we have find here r equal 13. So put the value. See, first of all take r common. तो r common लोगे, ये cos alpha sin x minus sin alpha cos x or plus 7. We will get like this one. Now we know कि sin a cos b minus cos a sin b equals sin a minus b. So this is r sin x minus alpha plus 7. ठीक है, r sin x minus alpha plus 7. But here r equal 13. So put the value where r equals 13. So this is 13 sin x minus alpha plus 7. This we have get in general form, where we can very easily find the range of sin x minus alpha. You know, sin alpha varies from -1 to +1. So definitely we will do here. देखो, here you know -1 is less or equal than sin x minus alpha is less or equal than 1, because you know sin alpha is lie between -1 to +1. So similarly sin x minus alpha will also lie between -1 to +1. And here 13 is multiplied, so multiply by 13 on both the side. So -13 is less or equal than 13 sin x minus alpha is less or equal than 13. But here 7 is added in this term, so plus 7 on each term. So here -13 plus 7 is less or equal than 13 sin x minus alpha is less or equal than 13 plus 7. -13 में से अगर 7 माइनस करोगे तो आपको -6 मिलेगा. तो -6 is less or equal than 13 sin x minus alpha is less or equal than 20. Now you can see here कि the range of 13 sin x minus alpha is equal to what? -6 to 20. ठीक है. So here definitely you will write कि range is what? Range is -6 to 20. This is your answer, -6 to 20. I hope students you have clear concept about these questions which I have already told you, and the concept related to this chapter, and I hope you will do all the questions, will practice. Okay students, thank you.